Today I'm going to be talking about a photographic biography by Elizabeth Partridge. The title is John Lennon, All I Want Is the Truth. So here's a picture of the cover of the book. So some positive aspects that I found in the book. It's very easy to read with a great detail and pictures on almost every page, which I think would be attractive to teenagers and the young adult. From birth, the book talks about his birth to college and into adulthood, and she gives the readers an inside view of the ups and downs in his life. It also goes into the darker side by showing, his drug usage and how it affected his career and his relationships. The photographs show how his fame has its highs and its lows. The book's also valuable for students who are researching the life of John Lennon, and the pictures shown in the biography, they really draw in the reader, and they'll be more entertaining for teen readers and young adults. And I just in general believe that pictures connect you and really paint a picture for you and help you connect to the text. Some of the negatives, the text does talk about Paul losing his virginity, so in my opinion this could be inappropriate for anyone under 15. And the complexities and the realities of his life are depicted, such as his drug usage, sex, death, and foul language, so this biography is more suitable to an older teen or young adult audience. The text was very honest and talked about his life and all the things he did that was wrong, which could give teens a negative influence. For example, he used to break apart Vic inhalers, and he used a straw to suck out the benzodrine, the drug that's used in there. Some publisher reviews. Partridge takes another complex prolific musical genius. The book design is drop-dead gorgeous. The chronological organization not only clarifies stages in his life, but also slips a little history to unsuspecting teenagers as they get past the mask of an iconic popular star, which is from The Horn book magazine. It's a starter review from the publisher. And then here's just some pictures that were from the book. So pretty much on every other page there was pictures, which I thought was really interesting, and it definitely intrigued me. I liked looking at all of them. And then here's a picture of the Beatles.